Hey guys, if you're looking for a charger for your 18650 batteries, this is a great one I picked up on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below where you can pick it up yourself. But these are the batteries that I found are commonly being used in a lot of the project from Freenove or Deep robot kits, and a lot of times they call for these batteries, and you have to get like the exact battery that they ask for. At least that's what they tell you. But any case, this is one of the more recommended and more reasonably priced chargers that I found on Amazon. And you can't tell, the light is a little bit too bright in this one location versus like everything else around me. But this is the best lighting I could get to sort of display this. But it has this nice display here. It's glowing this really vibrant green. You can't really tell on the camera, but it is. It displays like how much it displays the charging progress and whether the batteries are charged or not, how much charge they have. It gives you some information on this little screen here. So yeah, looking at it directly with my eyes, it looks a lot better than on the camera. But that's not really the reason I got this. I basically bought this because of the rating and because of the price, and that it is compatible with these batteries. I needed something to charge my batteries for my Freenove and my Adept robot kits, and this was a great option. I have a couple of other older chargers, but I decided to pick this one up too. Now, if you want to get the same charger, remember, link in the description. And that's about it for today. So hopefully this helps somebody. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Like and subscribe.